Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to build a 6-foot tall, 4-foot wide, medium commercial chain link gate from our gate kit. In your gate kit you're going to have 2 uprights, 3 cross members, females, nuts and bolts, caps, set screws, tension bands, and then 2 gate rods. These are J-bolt hinges. These are adjustable. You can also do the wraparounds, but if you've got a drill press or a 5/8 drill, all you have to do is drill down 10 inches from the top and 57 inches. And then you'll have an adjustable hinge, so if you have any problems with your gate in the future, you can adjust that problem out. This is a really nice setup. Okay, you'll notice that there's going to be a top and a bottom. The top is about 1 inch above the peg, and the bottom is going to be about 1/4 inch below the peg. So that's how you tell the difference. Not enough room for the cap on the bottom. Okay, just grab your cross members with the holes pointing down. You can do them pointing up, but if they're down, you don't really see the screws. It just looks a lot better. And then just get the other upright and slide it on. We don't have to screw it off yet. We can stretch the gate, that'll hold it. Okay, that's going to be your tension band. Notice the flat side and curved side. The flat side goes up. You're going to put 5 tension bands on each side of the gate. 2 on top, 3 on the bottom, and then just space them all even. So you're going to be about 4 inches down from the top, 4 inches up for the bottom, and the other bands are just going to be spaced even. Run your gate rod through the chain link and down through the tension bands. Make sure you get the height of the chain link about, you're going to work with the pointed end about 1 inch above the top of the top rail. And then we're going to stretch the chain link by hand to see where we need to cut it. You can see where the one bar, it looks like we could get a bar through it and it would be past the bolt on the tension band. So we're going to cut the knuckle before that one. Just cut it with a pair of pliers and then weave it out by hand. Very simple. Counterclockwise. Now we're going to run the bar through that last strand of chain link. Pull it, make sure it's tight enough, it look good. If you have an extra person, it's really helpful. They can stretch while you apply the nuts and bolts. And unless you're doing a gate over 6 foot wide, hand stretch is plenty. Tighten it up. I like to keep the top about 1/2 inch to 1 inch above the top rail. We're going to cut off the first knuckle. See right there, that's where we're making the cut. And then just knuckle them over with a pair of pliers. And try to make them look nice. And then this one's 4 foot wide, so it gets 2 ties. 2 ties per cross member. Now we're going to put screws into the bottom of the gate, 2 on each side. Then we're going to flip the gate over and then get the middle and top rail. By flipping it over, we have much better leverage. And then you'll just finish off screwing the rest of those. And that's it. That's a solid gate. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, check out wholesalevinylfencing.net. Or you can call us to place an order, 877-573-5561.